more little old short video out here. Even after y'all don't watch this one on Thursday, I didn't catch anything. This will be sometime after. Probably post it next Thursday. Y'all know how I am about them big swim baits. Everybody knows. Well, I went and picked me one up today. This is for a special spot if I ever get to go. I hope I get to go. I picked that up right there. It's another Smash Tech custom bait. It's a gizzard shad. It's 7 inches long. It's a line through swim bait. I don't fish many of them. Although my last 10-pound bass on a swim bait came on a line through. Just a different brand. But we finna try this one, see what's going on. We'll be back when we get it tied on. Alright guys, there it is, rigged up, ready to go. Let's see how it throws and how it swims. I doubt we'll catch a fish, but we're gonna look at it anyway. Man, that looks just like a shad. First cast, let's see how it does. I'm worried about how it rides in the water. Smash Tech ain't never let me down though. Local made. Oh yeah, that's, oh goodness. Oh goodness. Tell you a little bit about it. I think it weighs about 3 ounces. Soft plastic. Made locally. I'm probably not 10 miles from where it's made at. Game warden that makes these. He's awesome. Everybody I know wants to skip on hardware. I bought line throughs before, and they never, ever come with hooks. Not only does this one come with a hook, it has the best hook. It's got an owner's treble. And we all know how I feel about the owner hooks. Learning how to cast this thing and work it. Oh yeah, just right there. That's just perfect speed. Oh yeah. The way he designed it, you lay that treble hook in there. It's not weedless, but it's way more weedless than any other one I've ever threw like that. Have to get used to casting it. You just slow roll that right there. If there's a big fish around, it's got to eat it. I told you I'd keep this one short, and I'm going to. Alright, lifers. I just wanted to throw that bait around a time or two, see how it runs, figure it out. This is a good spot to figure out how you need to fish it. I like it. I'm going to put some glue on the insert on it. I think I rigged it up wrong to start with and pulled the insert loose, which is fine like it is, but I'm going to glue it back where it goes. I'm going to have to get online and see if I do that with super glue or mend it, both. I'll let y'all know how that works out in a future video. Smash Tech Baits, go check them out. I'm not paid or sponsored or anything, but I like them. I endorse them in 6 cents in every video I fish with them. kastking too. And I always put a link in the description to it if I know where there's a link to it. If it's an Amazon link, I'm an Amazon affiliate. If you order that I've got linked or anything after you click on that link and go through there, it helps grow the channel. I make a small percentage. Doesn't cost you any more. Makes me a little percentage. It helps the Lifers channel grow. Alright. I told you I'd keep this one short. I did. Like, share, subscribe, and what's next, y'all? We're gone.